Good evening everybody, welcome to my small Sangamo time clock collection. I just thought I would show you a couple of time clocks that I received. This is the quartz version. It's got a battery backup, apparently runs for about 72 hours. This is also a quartz, believe it or not, it's just the wrong clock face. But this is a very old time clock. It's the Spring Reserve Sangamo, made in 1977, fully restored, fully cleaned. You may be able to hear it ticking. The Spring Reserve, I actually own. I've got a collection of about 75 of these, and I've got 60 still in the box, never used, but this is one I've actually fully overhauled myself, polished and cleaned, stripped down. You probably see it looks like new. The J75 means it was made in June 1975. I don't know if you can hear it ticking. I'll move it closer up. Fantastic time clock. So this is my rough collection. I'll show you the matter of the case in my next video. Hope you enjoy, and hope you enjoy the video.